Take a ride in the 2015 Toyota Tundra. Tundra has a number of unique features useful for those using it as a work truck, including extra-large door handles, a deck rail system, and an integrated tow hitch. Included as standard are vehicle stability control, traction control, electronic brake force distribution, anti-lock brakes, and tailgate assist. With a towing capacity of up to 10,000 pounds and a payload capacity of over 2,000 pounds, the Tundra is the perfect mix of power and efficiency. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, tow hitch, keyless entry, anti-lock braking system, power passenger seat, steering wheel audio controls, stability control, navigation system, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, aluminum wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, four-wheel drive, cruise control, floor mats, AM/FM stereo radio. This vehicle is CarFax certified one owner and qualifies for CarFax buyback guarantee. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.